As part of your weekly clean for your in-the-ear hearing aid, within your cleaning kit we do provide these cleaning kits. You've got wipes that just open like a wet wipe. And what we would recommend you do is wipe over the whole body of your hearing aid. This is known to degrease the hearing aid, remove any debris or earwax, and there's a special formula within this wipe that is known to dissolve earwax. What you can also do, if you have any stubborn debris, we also provide a brush, and the brush can be wiped over the areas where you may have some debris.